Hello, good wishes to everyone. See, in this session, we are going to seek about that is natural resources. Yes, we are seeking natural resources. This is your part 2. See, this is your geography lesson 1 and your term 2. Yes, this is your term 2 lesson 1. Yes, so we are seeking part 2. See, already in the previous video, we have learned about the introduction part of that is natural resources. Yes, so what has happened, what are the facts involved in natural resources, we have learned in the part 1 video. Yes, so now at present we are going to seek about the classification of natural resources. Yes, so natural resources, first what is mean by natural resource? Yes, so in Tamil we used to say இயற்கை வளங்கள். Yes, so இயற்கை வளங்கள். Yes, so natural resources means what? That is fertile in nature, that is growth of nature, that is the natural resources. See, I have given the definition, that is all resources directly provided by nature. So all of the resources, see what are all the resources in this world? All of the resources which directly provided by the nature, yes, directly we are getting, yes, so directly from, that is by the nature, is known as what? Natural resources. So let's see the classification. Yes, so classifications of natural resources. What are the classifications we are having? That is on the basis of origin, on the basis of origin, and next one on the basis of development, on the basis of renewable, yes, which is renewing, getting renewed, right? Then on the basis of distribution, and the last one on the basis of ownership. So these are all the classification of natural resources. Let's see one by one. See, first classification is on the basis of origin. See, origin means what? See, what does mean by origin? The word origin. See, that means the beginning. Yes, in Tamil we used to say that is thotram, birth. So the birthplace. Yes, the starting place. Yes, initial, beginning. Yes, so that is the meaning of this word origin. Yes, so anyhow, that is the birthplace. Yes, which is starting, it starts from there. Yes, so that place is known as origin. Yes, see here, resources can be classified into, yes, in this classification, it is classified into two parts. That is, one is biotic resources and another one is abiotic resources. Yes, so on the basis of origin, it is classified into two resources, that is biotic resources and abiotic resources. See, let's see about what is biotic resources. See, biotic, see this word biotic. See, by seeing this word itself we can able to understand this. Biotic means that is living things. Yes, biologically, biotic, living things, living resources. So all the living things, all the living resources in this world, it will comes under biotic resources. See, what are the living resources? That is plants, animals and other microorganisms. Plants you know already, animals also, and as well as human beings. Yes, so we are all living things. Yes, so and other microorganisms. What does mean by microorganisms? See, microorganisms means microorganisms are organisms which exist as unicellular, yes, unicellular or multicellular organisms, right, and or cluster of cells which is in our body, right. So it will also consider as what? That is biotic resource, that is living things. Yes, so it will also consider as living things. Yes, so microorganisms means that is organism which exist as multicellular or unicellular or cluster of cells. Yes, so anyhow it is considered as living things. Yes, so we are having, that is in microorganisms, let me see deeply about that. In microorganisms we are having, that is 6 types. Yes, how many types? 6 types of microorganisms we are having. That is, see, for easily remembering, I just forming one formula. See here, A square BP FV. So we are having 6 microorganisms, 6 types of microorganisms. See, this is for easily remembering. Yes, you can keep it in your mind. Yes, see, A square, that is one A for algae and another A for, that is, see here, A square is giving, see BP, BP you can keep it in your mind as blood pressure, yes. So BP and FV, right? See 1A for algae, and archaea, then BP, 1B, that is B for what? Bacteria. B for bacteria, P for protozoa, right? Then Fe, C, F for fungi, and V for virus. Yes. See here, A square, algae, archaea. Next, BP, blood pressure. We can keep it in your mind as blood pressure. B for bacteria and P for protozoa. Next, FV, fungi. F for fungi and V for virus. So we are having six types of. See here, 6 types. So we are having 6 types of microorganisms. So we are having microorganisms, that is microorganisms consist of 6 types, right? So A square, BP, Fe, right? That's all about the biotic resources. Next, while coming to the abiotic resources, opposite of that is biotic resources. This is the opponent team of biotic resources. See, that is opposite reaction. Yes. See, abiotic resources means all non-living things. Here biotic means living things and abiotic means all non-living things. Yes. See, such as, see here, land, water, air, minerals. Yes. So these are all the non-living things. Is it so? Yes. So land, water, air, minerals. Yes. Books, notes. Yes. So what are the things that is not considered as living? That living things, being. So presenting, living in this world. Yes. So that is known as non-living things. Yes. So which are all things not considered as a living being, that is considered as, that is named as non-living things. So land, water, air, minerals, and benches, chair, note, books, pen, choppers. So everything is a non-living thing. Yes. So these things considered as non-living things. So that is the abiotic resources. So that is the difference between biotic and abiotic resources. It is a living thing and abiotic is a non-living thing. Yes. So that's all about the natural resources. That is classification of natural resources. Yes. So let's see deeply about the abiotic resources in the next session. Yes. So that's all about the biotic resources. But abiotic resources consist of lot of things. So let's see deeply about the abiotic resources in the next session, right? So I hope you all understand, student. Yes. So thank you for being a part of this session. Thank you.